This is Professor Dare of Sites. This video shows how to create a scatter plot in Microsoft Excel. A scatter plot is a plot of ordered pairs, points, two-dimensional plane, horizontal axis, and a vertical axis. This particular scatter plot shows a view of Fisher's iris data. It has petal width on the horizontal, and with each petal width, the various petal lengths that appear. For example, here's a petal width of 2 with a petal length of 14. That would be somewhere around here. And here's another 2 with, no, that's the type. There's another 2 here with a 10 and a 2 and a 16. So that's why we see stacks. This is not a function where you just get one answer. This is data showing that they did a sample of some data and found all these data points. To create this, you have to select the data. We look at what was used in the chart. It uses petal width and petal length. It actually includes the petal width label there. You can see that if you go to the select data out of the attributes here, but I'll show how you do it. You have to select those 2 columns. It goes way down, somewhere down here. It's a lot of data right there. And then insert, and you'll use scatter plot right here. This one here, just the scatter plot, just the points. I'm not going to insert it because I already have it in here. Once you've inserted it, you can move it, just drag the chart, put it where you want, resize it if you want, and also pick what elements you want shown on the chart. I added the axes titles, and I didn't add data labels. That would be too busy given the great number of small points there in this chart. But you can click on different areas of the chart, like the horizontal axis label, the vertical axis label, the chart label, the data area. It's a lot of things you can click on and options to change things. A lot of flexibility here. And this allows you to visualize what you can't see in this data. This data is just a mass of numbers. Here you can see the patterns, the order that's in there, hidden by the details of the data. So it's a very powerful tool, Microsoft Excel, to be able to take data and show it visually. And also, if something were to change, like let's find this point to 214, let's give a petal length of that one sort of an outlier. Instead of 14, let's make it 45. Hit enter, and you see how this point went up there. Sort of an outlier. It's not really reflecting the real world data. Control Z puts it back where it was.